Thank you for visiting my channel, where I am sharing pretty much everything about my nomadic lifestyle. I currently live full-time in my RV, my mini Winnie. I call it the mini. I tow the Jeep that you see behind. I am a first-time towing person, if there's such a thing. I also recently added some living space with the pop-up gazebo. So that is how I am currently living. And I mainly boondog. I look and find BLM land and pretty much wherever I can stay for free, I will take it. My second preference are campgrounds, state campgrounds. And my least preferred way of living would be an RV resort, which I think they're pretty good when you have family and want to be connected and have guests. But I think every space or every facility has a place. And I do like to share, especially things that work for me that I'm learning about, because that's what this community is about, helping one another. And I love that. Not many neighbors want to help each other. It feels to me that in this community, people actually want to help you. I have learned a couple tips as a solo female traveler. One of the things that I don't like to do very much is moving the big rig, the RV. And the reason I prefer not to move the RV very much are a few. One of them being the fact that I like to keep it as a home. Like I like to set up my office space, my plants, my teapot, small things like that. I don't like to be moving things around very much. That was one of the reasons I chose to get a tow vehicle, and the Jeep because it's the most towing friendly vehicle and also can take you to places a regular car couldn't. And I'm learning about off-roading and everything that it has to do with a Jeep, which is kind of different than a sedan that I had before. Also, with this lifestyle, the way I dress, the way I wear my hair has changed. Things that I didn't consider because they seem to be small things to consider when you're changing your lifestyle. You never think, oh gosh, I won't be wearing high heels anymore. I'm trying to show how high heels don't work in this new lifestyle, and I couldn't even put them on. I think my feet anatomy have changed. I prefer those over this, but I wanted to see how funny it is to walk on this anymore. I can't do it. I can't do it. This is not doable. Nope, it doesn't work. It ain't gonna work anymore. Oh gosh, my hair may be a conflict in my new lifestyle. You don't think of that. You think about, wow, can I drive an RV? Can I tow a car? Where would I stay? How do I get water? How I dump my waste? Those are bigger considerations, so you don't think on the detail. However, those things do change and they do take a part in your life. I'm learning a lot of little tips on how to keep my hair cleaner for longer, how to keep it put together for longer, how to sleep with it. And these changes are happening naturally because of comfort and makes sense. Like right now, I'm wearing a onesie with pockets. I love having pockets. Just things feel more comfortable when you want to go with that, You learn to let go of a lot. Fashion is one thing that goes away quickly over comfort, and things are more convenient. I'm not so preoccupied about my looks or if this looks funny. It looks cute to me and it's super comfortable, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm still reaching out and looking for answers. I love finding other people in similar situation and learning about their transitions, their changes, what works, not only what works, but also what doesn't work. And there is a lot that doesn't work. So without being negative, I think it's just being resourceful to learn what works as well as what doesn't work. I'm also trying to pronounce my words better. Another thing that I'm learning because I'm watching myself and I not only have an accent, but I tend to cut my words. And I think that's because in Spanish, at least the Chilean, we do turn to cut our words short. I'm trying to modulate better so you guys can understand me better. I want to share today a very interesting tool that this is my second one that I'm trying, and it seems that it's a lot better than the original. And it is the Go Girl, something like that. It's this device to go party with that you probably are familiar with. They came out like a few years ago, and I tried the original one. It's all made of silicone. So I already knew by touching it and playing with it that it wouldn't really work because you want something a little bit firmer to use it with that purpose. There is a new one. In this new one, the main concept is still silicone, but it has a base. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that. This is the new LP. So I guess you can adapt it to your own name and P. But anyway, this is a firm, I don't even want to show, my hands are so dirty. Oh my gosh. This is another thing that changes when you live this lifestyle and you do everything by yourself. Because I chop wood, I do everything by myself. Anyway, my hands are so dirty. My nails, oh, dirt. So I'm going to step up a little bit so you don't see it. Anyhow, this is the new and improved women pee apparatus. I bought 2 5-gallons water jugs. Just doing the outside. I came inside really quick to say that I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, yes. So I bought the 2 5-gallons of water jugs and I put them in my Jeep, and then I come home and use the LP to refill my tank. I am looking for the right funnel. I know that there's one that it has a little elbow. I know there's a tool for that, but I didn't have the tool. I was too embarrassed to show you with the first one. Like, there's no way that I can demonstrate how it doesn't work. I want to show you how this one does work. Full demonstration coming on. All right, so I am in the last bit of it, and I wanted to record the wind. I wanted to record it in real time, so I stopped the time lapse. So let's do this. So the last of it.
And there ain't no such thing as someday. I'm not falling down. This train is only rolling one way. There ain't no way out.
And that's, my friend, how I refill my water tanks with the help of Mrs. LP. The tips may not always be practical or tips at all, but hey, if you're having fun, if I'm having fun, if we're all at least having fun, let's keep on sharing. Some tips will be good, some may be just funny. Thank you for watching. Please come back for the next one. Ciao. Mwah. So I bet you did know that you can refill your water tank with this, plus this. You can water your plants. You can also have a drink.